So replacing the wiper blades on the Corsa D is incredibly easy. All you need to do is just unclip these two clips. This is the same on either side. Two clips will unclip. You'll then just tilt the wiper blade sort of upwards towards you, as you can see there. It'll hook off the end of the wiper stalk or wiper arm itself. You then grab your new blade, hook it onto the little hook at the top, as you can see there, bring it down, and you'll just need to squeeze those bottom tabs, and as you can see there, give them a squeeze, and it will pop into place. That is literally all you need to do. Thanks for watching.